How to get rid of sweating. Apple cider vinegar. Using a cotton pad, apply ACV towards the armpits before you go to bed. Leave it for overnight after wash it with water within the next morning. Do this again process every evening. Lemon. Lemon is yet another effective remedy to manage sweating. Its citric acidity that get rid of the bacteria and its enjoyable scent causes it to be like a natural deodorant. Black tea. The tannic acidity contained in black tea holds astringent and antiperspirant qualities. They offer respite from sweating. The astringent property constricts the sweat glands, which controls the sweat flow to outer skin. Black tea contains more tannic acidity than usual tea, so it's the very best to make use of. Corn starch and baking soda. To get rid of excessive underarm sweating, apply a mixture of corn starch and baking soda in the armpits after completely cleaning them. Allow it to stay for 30 minutes and wash later. You may also add any oil like a deodorant into the mixture.